And what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Finally, today I am off of work. I am home. It looks like it's gonna be miserable outside, so I'm gonna put the Challenger inside the garage. But I do have a little surprise for you guys. I want to show you something that I picked up. So nice. Let's grab one of that boy. We have ourselves some nice new fresh headlights for the Jeep WK project vehicle. I just want to show you guys, look at how crystal clear these things are, and they're nice because the housing is blacked out on the inside. So I'm going to be installing this hopefully Saturday, I think, one day when the nights are out. I was going to try to install it today, but as you can see, it's been downpouring all day. And yeah, I don't want to really work on this while it's going to be downpouring. So my goal is I'm going to just do it later. As you can tell, the ones I have on right now, these are super fogged up, and the housing is actually broken in the back. So essentially where I put the bulb into the housing, it's kind of cracked, so it keeps falling in and out. So yeah, it just made sense. I need to get new headlight housings. Actually, one of my friends who had a Jeep as well, turns out he still had some extra parts, and I bought it off him for a pretty good price, so I can't complain about that. So yeah, I have some new headlight housings that's going to be installed hopefully this weekend. But man, just look at the Jeep. Ooh, baby, she's looking good. All right, so what I plan on doing is driving the Jeep around for the next couple of days while it's gonna be rainy and crappy out. I really like driving the Jeep, especially when it's like, you know, just cold out. But first things first, I'm gonna package this stuff back up nice and neat so I have more room to get inside the garage. Time to move the Challenger. Oh, and also I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm not sure if I even mentioned it inside the video. Last week, my fiance's Jeep Compass, it turned out all of her coolant basically just came out of her car when she was on the way home. One of the hose clamps for her coolant lines into the radiator, it basically just popped off. So there was just coolant leaking out everywhere. When she was driving home, she called me. She was like, "Hey, is it normal if my coolant light comes on?" And she was like, "My car's starting to overheat." And I'm just like, "How far away are you? Are you close?" She was, I mean, luckily she was actually like down the street when it started happening. So she was able to make it home. When she got home, I was looking at it, put some more coolant in it. You can tell it was just pouring out. So that kind of sucked. So essentially, if I still have the clips, I'll put it in here. I filmed some of that, but yeah, all the coolant was coming out. We tracked it down to the hose clamping. So yeah, it took about a day for that to get fixed. So she drove the Challenger Friday and I took the Jeep. So for like the last week and a half, I've been dailying the Jeep, and she took the Challenger Friday, but we got her vehicle fixed over the weekend. But I figured I would let you guys know. Kind of a freak thing, something weird that just happened. I mean, hopefully it doesn't happen again, but yeah, just a new hosing clamp, and everything seems to be fixed. The other quick thing though, which I'm gonna probably make a whole video on this because this is actually a pretty interesting thing, or a pretty cool thing that I didn't know how to do. Her key fob was dead for my vehicle, and after doing some Google searching and like looking it up, I know like certain vehicles you can do it, like usually there's like a sensor inside of the key. You can put it somewhere so that it'll still read it even if it doesn't have a battery. For the Challenger, you have to literally like press inside, like push the actual push start button. If it's that close, it should read it even if the battery's dead. Even if you don't have a battery in it, it should still make it start up. But yeah, figured I'll mention that. I'm gonna probably make a small tutorial video on that just because I think it's something that other people might be looking up, so hopefully it'll help out other people. But without further ado, let's get this guy inside of the garage. Okay, what's up guys? So it's actually a couple hours later. Oh, just hit the mic. But it's a couple hours later now. My fiance just got home from work. I have a couple minutes, or I have a little bit of some free time, and I know there's a trail that's not too far from me. I've been dying to go check out. I'm not fully sure what's even up it. I think it's behind like some train tracks. I have no idea, but I've been dying to go see and just take this thing off-road. It's a little bit later in the day. I'm not fully sure like what's up there, if there's anything really up there, but I figured, hey, I'm gonna pull the camera out, I'm gonna go up there real quick and see what's up. If it's cool, it's cool. If it's not, it's not. But I definitely wanna see if I wanna get this thing out on some dirt. So let's go. We will pick this up when we get there. So I'm trying to figure out if I can go anywhere over here. Doesn't really look like it. I see that there's some train tracks over there. And it does not. That's definitely a dumping zone. The area I thought I could go to was over here somewhere, but it looks like I won't be able to. It's all, yeah, there's like a no trespassing sign up. Man, that sucks. Yeah, that really sucks. Well, it looks like, see, look. There is some type of trail, but yeah, there's some type of trail. I'm not gonna risk it because it's like it's not worth it. I really wanted to like go somewhere off-roading, but there's like nowhere near me that I can find. Yeah, it just sucks. I can't really find any place to like go off-roading, man. That sucks, but it is what it is. Well, when all else fails, I will always find a way to go to a Tim Hortons. Always find a way to go to a Tim Hortons, I swear. All right, guys, so that kind of sucks. I'm gonna end the video here then, I guess, because I could not go up there and do the off-roading like I wanted to do. I will find some other place to go off-roading. I'm having the same problems like when I had the Wrangler. Just there's nowhere like close around me that I can go. I know it's like people who live like in like Colorado or like Arizona, somewhere like that. They can just go off-roading, like, you know, there's so many places next to them, but there's not really that many places around me. Like, so if any of you guys know places in Western New York, like the greater Buffalo area that has some type of off-roading trails. I did hear that there's some places in the South towns. So if you guys know any place, please let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to figure out somewhere where I can go, just, you know, just do something. You know, nothing too advanced, because I am still a beginner and I don't want to do anything, you know, super crazy. But if there's any type of like light trails that light trails that I can go on, please let me know. But in the next video, I should be installing the headlights. Honestly, I might do that tomorrow, just because yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of antsy. I kind of want to just get those things installed, because the more and more I'm looking at the stock ones that I have on right now, the more and more I want to put the replacement ones on, because I think it's going to look a lot better. So be on the lookout for that video. That should be coming soon, maybe sooner than later. But like that, I'm going to interview here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please consider subscribing. Go to my channel, look at some of the videos that I've uploaded, like the video, follow me on Instagram, Omega Greed, same name as the YouTube channel, or go to the website geeksforcars.com. And like that, I'm out of here. Goodbye and see ya.